Okay, so finally, question 7. We just need to plot the three lines, the line y equals 2x plus 5, the line equals that, but let's rearrange it to make y the subject, because then we can think about it a bit easier. Y, if I take x from both sides and then I halve everything, I get minus a half x plus 3, and then we're going to plot the line y equals 2, and we've got our graph going on axes from positive 6 to negative 6. So anyway, at 2, it's the easiest one, we will have the line y equals 2. That's a straight line. So that's the line y equals 2. And these are all going to be solid lines because they're all or equals to. And because it's y is bigger than or equal to 2, we're going to be wanting stuff above the line. Y equals 2x plus 5, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to have a gradient of 2. It's going to be quite a steep one, and it's going to be going through at that point 5. So that is the line y equals 2x plus 5, and we want stuff below that line, so we're going to be thinking below that line there. And then finally this has got the y-intercept of 3, and it's got a gradient of negative a half, so it's going to be more like that. So this is y equals negative a half x plus 3, or you could write 2y plus x is less than or equal to 3. And we want what is below that one as well. So below that, and above that means what we're actually wanting, what we're shading, is that region there. So that's got us 3 marks. And you could have put all of those 3 things into your calculator to graph it like that. You would need to make y the subject first to do that too. Then, finally, we've got to work out 5 marks for working out the area of the shaded region. Well, because one of these lines is horizontal, that is the base, and then we just want the vertical height, and we can do the area being the base times the height over 2. So we need to, for that, we need to work out the coordinates of those 3 points. So let's do the bottom 2 first. They're the easiest because we know that our y value is 2. So we just need to substitute y as 2 into both of these. So 2 equals 2x plus 5 instead of y equals 2x plus 5. Take 5 from both sides. Negative 3 equals 2x. Therefore x equals negative 1.5. So that is the point negative 1.52. And then when y is equal to 2, it's probably easier to use that form actually, isn't it? 2 times 2 is 4 plus x equals 6. So x is going to equal 2. That's nice. So that point there must be the point 2, 2. And then finally we need to find this point, which is where the 2 lines with gradients meet. So we've got that into the form y equals, which means we can make we can put them together into the same equation to solve those, can't we? 2x plus 5 is going to be equal to negative a half x plus 3. Let's get rid of the fraction by multiplying everything by 2 first of all. 4x plus 10 equals negative x plus 6. Then if I add x to both sides I get 5x. If I take 10 from both sides I get negative 4. X is equal to negative 4 divided by 5, which is negative 4/5 or negative 0.8. At that point, what is y? Y is going to equal 2 times negative 0.8 plus 5. And if we whack that
into our calculator, what do we get? We get our negative 1.6, that'll be 3.4, won't it? So our height of that is going to be negative 0.8 and then 3.4. But the bit we're really interested in is that height bit between. So if I draw my triangle out again, that base is going from negative 1.5 to 2. So that's going to be 1.5 plus 2 is 3.5 for my base. And then my height is going to be 3.4, take away that 2 there, which is 1.4. So the area is going to be 1.4 times 3.5, all divided by 2, which is 49 over 20, or 2.45 units squared. As long as you got that 2.45, I think they let you off the units squared. And that's it, folks. Okay, cheerio.